Hello and welcome to Yoomi's Place, where I take stock photos and make digital art out of them. If you enjoy this video, I hope you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification. Thank you so much. In this video, I'm taking this very cool dragon I got from neostock.com, and I'm going to create an epic fantasy piece with it. Now, if you want some really cool stock imagery, really cool stuff, check out Neostock. I got links in the description, and you can go there and just check out all their really cool stuff they've got there. Lots of genres: fantasy, sci-fi, futuristic, all kinds of really cool stuff. So check that out. And you're gonna notice at the end of this video, it kind of abruptly cuts out when you think like, wow, he wasn't really done, and you'd be right about that. When I recorded this video, something happened to the recording. I'm not sure what, but I lost like about, I don't know how much time off the back of it, to be honest with you. And I don't have any way to recover it, and I didn't want to go back and have to redo the whole piece again. So you're gonna see kind of an abrupt cut at the end to reveal the final piece. Not much I can do about it. Let's get right to it.